What a nice, healthy, and potentially productive rivalry we have developing between world under-20 100 meters champion Tina Clayton and effervescent rising star Brianna Lyston. Some people saying to leave the girls alone and about to talk up the rivalry because they are two Jamaicans and blah, blah, blah. But please, no matter with the foolishness, you all don't think that the Shelley and Fraser Price, Elaine Thompson-Hira rivalry improved them as sprinters, or that the earlier Safa-Bolt rivalry back in the day, you don't think it helped Bolt and Safa to achieve what them achieved? And there have been many more rivalries over the years. Rivalries push athletes to higher heights and make them better. As long as we not broke no fight and hurt nobody, nothing is wrong with Tina's fans a carry Tina to beat Brianna, and Brianna's fans a carry Brianna to beat Tina. In the end, we are all Jamaican fans. I mean, how many countries can boast two elite-level young emerging sprinters of this caliber at the same time to make such a rivalry a credible one? I think this is a situation for us to embrace race after race. Instead, we are make up with face.